Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. Today we are going to do something very interesting. Yes, this is Tux Paint. In the previous lesson, I told you to download Tux Paint from internet. It is free and easy to download. As all of you know that Tux Paint is a software like Paint meant for drawing and painting. It has number of tools to help you draw and color. It also has interesting sound effects. Today we will work on it. Let's go. Let's open Tux Paint. I will write here Tux Paint. Here we have two options, Tux Paint full screen and Tux Paint window. I will open it. This is the title screen. As the program is loaded into the memory, press any key or click the mouse to continue. Okay, look here. This is the main screen. The main screen is divided into 5 parts. One part, second part, third part, fourth part and fifth part. Let's discuss one by one. This is the toolbar. It is on the left side of the main screen. It contains drawing and editing tool. Here we have paint, stamp, lines, shape, text, label, magic, eraser and many other tools. Drawing canvas. This is the drawing canvas. It is at the center of the main screen. You can draw any figure here. I will select red color. I can draw anything here. Selector. It is on the right side of the main screen. If you select the brushes, the brush tool for example, the selector shows various sizes of the brushes available. You can see this is the smallest size of the brush. It is little bit bigger. It is more bigger. It is more big. And this is the biggest. You can select any size from here. Colors. This is the color palette. It is found below the drawing canvas. It has 18 colors. The first 17 colors are fixed. Fixed mean कि आप उन्हें change नहीं कर सकते. The 18th color on the right is one that you are allowed to change. This is the 18th color. You just click on the color and a color box will appear. It means we can change color from here. I will click here. This is the color box. I can select any color of my choice. For example, I will select this one. Okay, it appears here. Now I can use this color on my canvas. You can hear the sound effects also. Okay, this is the help area. It is present at the bottom of the main screen. It provides tips and other information about the selected tool while drawing on the canvas. You can see here if I will select this and I will draw here something. This is the help area is telling me it's dark green color. Drawing tools. Here are different drawing tools. First of all, I will select the first tool, that is paint. Paint tool tell you draw stars, arrow and also freehand. Okay, if I want to draw the arrow, I will select this. This is the paint tool and these are the options of paint tool. Okay, I will change the color. I want to draw the star. I can select anything. from selector tool. These are the tools and these are its options, means selector tool. This is the selector. Okay, help area is telling me I'm using the blue color. You can see here. These are the different option of paint. Paint tool की ये different options are available here. The second tool is lines. The line tool let you draw straight lines. Second tool is line tool. Line tool let you draw straight lines. Select the line tool. Click a color in the color palette. Select the thickness of the line from the menu on the right. From here you can select the thickness. You can see this thickness, and this thickness. You can change the thickness of the brush from here. Click and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse pointer on the drawing canvas. Release the mouse to draw your lines. You can draw the lines in this way. You can draw anything with the line tool. In this way. Now this is the shapes tool. Click this tool. Here we have different types of shapes available. You can use these shapes. For example, I will select the square. I will select this color. This is the purple color. This is the rectangle. You can draw a triangle here. You can draw a pentagon. You can draw rhombus. You can draw octagon. These are the different shapes. You can try these shapes in the same way. Select the shape, select the color from the color palette and draw these. Okay, we have made different shapes with the help of this shape tool. Here these shapes are given and we have made these shapes by using different colors from the color palette. Now we will see how this text tool works. This is the text tool. Click this tool. The text tool lets you add text or number in the drawing area. The text tool, when we select this text tool, a blinking line appears here. This is the blinking line. It means the text will appear here. Select any color of your choice. You can also select the text style from here. I will select this style. Now type the text. Pakistan is our dear homeland. Now press the enter button to move the cursor in the next line. If you want to move the text you have typed to a new place, just click at that place on the drawing canvas before pressing the enter button. You will find that the line of text you have typed has moved to that location. For example, here, if I want to type here, I will click here. Now the text will appear here. Okay, in this way you can write anything on your drawing. You can also type numbers here. You can also move it here, move here, move here, move here. You can place it at any location. But when you press the enter button, now you cannot move it. You can also write numbers here in any color. Now I want to move these numbers here. I will click here. After clicking, I will press the enter button. Okay, today we have learned about different drawing tool, paint tool, line tool, shapes tool and text tool. Try to practice these tools at your home. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.